So just got the van loaded up with the photo booth here.
So sometimes I pack these little TV trays and put them in front of the booth area so that people can set their drinks on it rather than near the booth. Pro tip.
Don't forget the hand cart. Don't forget the hand cart. Do not forget the hand cart.
So for this gig, I did kind of a custom photo booth for them. So I did one of my professional booths as a rental booth for a discount price for a repeat client. So yeah, I like to pull favors where I can for them. So I rented them a photo booth that they keep at their school for 2 days. Well, I guess tomorrow I'll pick it up. So they're going to use it 2 times. And it's going to print 150 photo strips. And then I've got the program set that it will max out at 150, so the print button will just disappear.
So we push the carts with this at the front on carts where the turning wheels are at the back so that nothing can fall off. There's a barrier here, so we just push like this. All right, so we're gonna set up the booth here on this table for the kids. So here's a fun photo booth that I'm doing. I had a lot of fun designing the menu screen design. So Quentin's retro party. So we'll check out some of the other designs that I made. There's a passcode here, and there's that cool one. There's like little spaceships in there. It's pretty cool. So touch the tape to start the photos. And Quentin's party. In my other video, there was a little secret. It said, instead of Quentin's party on there, it said subscribe to Gorothbalion's channel. So you should check out Gorothbalion's channel. And he's building one of photo booths designed from one of my concepts right now. So you can follow his journey on his channel. I'll post the link in the description. So follow Gorothbalion. But I'm sure that you came to this channel from his, but whatever. So yeah, this one's pretty cool too. Quentin's retro party photo booth. So that one's pretty cool. Press the... Jeez! It's because the flash isn't on, that's why it was dark. There's a flash up there that normally goes up there. So with my photo booth service that is like the regular one where we come and we print out the photo strips and then we take it with us, our premium photo booth, we use professional printers. But with our rental booths, we don't want to supply the client with our expensive printers and potentially have them break them. So what I want to show you today is the printing option that I do for my rental photo booths. It's the HP PhotoSmart A616. And if you're running a Windows 10 on your photo booth, when you plug it in, it should instantly recognize and install the drivers. This one right there. So HP 110, and then replace for CB304A, and you can find that on eBay for cheap. Or there's ink refill kits if you like restoring the cartridges yourself. You can get them super cheap and fill them super full. Okay, so I'm pre-testing the printer just before the client gets here so that I know that everything is working. Put the cartridge in the printer, so get it there. You just take off this little that, and then there's a little piece of tape over the ink cartridge, and just take that off. So I'm just loading the printer here. So you just open the slot there, and then you just put these things against the circuit board in there. So just like so, and then shut it. Oh, just like this. 4x6 paper goes in like so, and So that's my video. Thanks for watching. Make sure and like and then sub to the channel. I will be posting more photo booth stuff, just little things about the DSLR booth and my builds. And yeah, I've got plenty of ideas. New booths coming up. I've got some new ideas on some different booths that I'm going to be building. So in the future, we'll take a look at those. So make sure and sub to the channel and like this video. And yeah, I'll be pumping out fresh content. So until next time.